Good afternoon. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up the share button on your Simplebooklet. So first things to log into your account and head over to the dashboard and then to locate the document you want to work on. And then once you have that document, go ahead and press Design, which is the Painter's Palette tab right here at the bottom. And then from there, you're going to go to Engage, which is this bullseye icon on your left-hand menu. And then you're going to scroll down to Navbar Engagements, and then you're going to find this share icon. And from there, you can toggle that feature on and off depending on whether or not you want to use that. But let's assume you do want to use that, and let's go ahead and press the Edit button, which is the pencil. So here is where you can customize what ways you would like your audience to be able to share your Simplebooklet. These ones are all linked right now, but if you would prefer them not to send it by email or LinkedIn for whatever reason, you can make those choices here. I'm going to keep mine all highlighted so I can show you what it looks like when they're all set to the default, which is the checked box. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. And then let's go into preview. And the share icon is right here in this navbar layout. Yours might be in a different location. You go ahead and click that. And here are all the options that you have. So you can send via Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest and so forth. And you can also copy a direct link and also have embedded code. We do offer the QR code as well. So your customers or your clients have many different ways of getting this information out there and sharing your booklet. And it's just another great way that you can engage your readers. That's all I have for you this afternoon. Thanks for watching.